Richard Brown Flips. Curious King. Me know. Yeah. Me say me know. Me say a friend in need is a friend indeed. Enough of them are was and a go on like bees. Who need friends like these?
Yo, Jota. You know what I say? Oh, the boy. Lock him up in the truck and left him on the ends and come over fresh. And you know what I say? The girl make man get to start. All the truck gone, so come like all she and him go to plan and run gone, you know. You don't know. So you what? Why you come circle me like right now? Yeah man, you have to circle two ends and look for your wife. And look for she to the truck. Just come pick me up a man, blip a man right away. What go on, Crook?
Yeah, man. Where are David?
Yeah, you know, so the girl make the man get where the girl gone with the man in the brother.
Where are taxi?
Yeah, man, I have to circle ends right now. Let me drive, man. We have to circle our ends right now and look for you. Come in with General. No time for waste.
No, God, you.
Yo, Jut, you are going. You left here, you say no. And you make two circles so you see the boy sing. Me have a circle around so because me have a page back the girl there, you know. So you don't know good at the summer about the area. Because me have a circle back and say, me see that cat today.
Sorry.
Because
Yeah,
I feel say she and him in that things, you know. And she let him go in and she gone with me because the truck me seen it me done.
Alright, no sorry.
So you what?
What you know, hold on, the man, that deal with it, man. Yeah, that.
Up.
That boy, don't get up. Yo, where they done? Me just catch a boy in the brother. Broke a piece of stick on the boy and the boy tough like iron in the god. Did they rusty with the boy and the boy get you again, you know. Where the brother? Where the my youth? Yo, forward man. Yeah man, yeah. Go and run man, here. Long run, short catch. You're a black boy.
Come here, hurry up. What do you want me to have this? Come here.
Girl, I'm not that over.
No, what do you want here?
One man did run me down and me just have to just run a tired. No long talking. Want some clothes.
Alright, come on.
Alright.
I can't know how I did today, you know. So I go for the B and the B. Get her for me. Like so she here, she can't, she just take for herself. You know if I hide she hide her friend she beat, but she just disappear.
I say I no good day for you today, daddy. Me catch her at the board and whop in me piece of board and run down on the boy wicked now. I mean the boy start find the boy. Yo boy strong like lion, you know you play so fast him and run. Yo, where we gonna tell Joe say that? Joe a big right now in the youth.
We have to just work the whole night, make him see we are working.
Yo, man,
so we not sleep tonight.
Yeah, man. Road we are do, man.
Long run, short catch, think you did get wet.
Morning, miss.
Morning.
You know what youth name? Kevar.
No, I don't really know that somebody there now.
I try calling, but guess something about you did. So, wouldn't mind if you can charge a phone for me.
You put me in a tough position, I know. Well, my mother has something to help people still. It's what I can do for you.
And honestly, I don't know if I could have helped me look at tea because I don't feel so wonderful in my stomach.
I know that's something that I put on too.
Stomach kill me. No, come like me out for you.
Alright, no problem. Oh, the video just show beers, watch it. Yeah, hello? Yeah.
I know so from night, but from somewhere too. I said I never come in last night. But we just from where I am right now still. And then could have met me a cup of tea.
Yeah, man, me just put on some tea because this guy passed by and say, you see, say no feel so good and something, and he asked me know somebody and something. So, tell him to make make some tea and me just put on one pot of tea. So, you tea there, I wait for you, yeah?
Alright, but just from where I am.
Alright. Yes, girls.
Everything alright otherwise though. I don't want to bring up down my road to you.
No, man, everything good there, so man, everything
You know
alright.
everything good?
Yes,
I think
man.
maybe like Kentucky or something like that.
No, man, me alright, man.
Thank you, here, miss.
Yeah, man, no problem.
Alright, take care.
Yeah, man. Wait for your phone.
Oh, thanks.
Babes.
Yes.
Ah, babes. Everything good?
Yeah, man.
Done, man. I worked me up on last night, you know. You look what tea for me.
Yeah, man. Me look about it, but it look a bit cold and now. Me go out there.
Right.
You know what I mean? Tell me, I said to show you. Me say, you want me to tell about?
Yeah.
Me say, the boy just asleep.
Wait. Which part him there?
You know, saying go up the road.
Let's go.
Watch out.
Papa, are you this? They are so a drink? Alcohol? And you breed Pinky, my friend, and run him out of the house? Oh, somehow no man stay so. Walk around and breed off people, girl, pick me and run them way. Just to go look at next girl. And you dip on road a drink. You're too worthless. You want little dirty nasty boy. All man like you know me no want. Suppose me never take in Pinky. Where should I there? Pan roadside. You see you boy?
Pinky a breed.
What you mean if Pinky a breed? So now have unprotected sex. I see you could have catch disease. See you breed the people them pick me. And run him out. You want wicked boy.
But me never know say Pinky a breed.
As me good on me tell Pinky. Me I make Pinky can you got family code because you half in mine. I should have you breed me.
Did you ask Pinky why me put him out? Pinky nah here, Pinky miserable. Left me there on my phone and chat to my mother. Pinky want lick eye. If what? I'm a big man, so I put him out. And me I spend the money.
Hold on there. What you mean?
If him a breed for you, me not even sleep at night. But me still I go check her because me not sleep at night, you know. Because you know, when you breed a woman, you're supposed to sleep.
Oh, so you want to idiot them? You expect say every man will get woman pregnant sleep. You want a box in your mouth. All you may not even stand up and talk to you too long, you know, because you're a real idiot.
So I'm going to be there now. I don't want water baby before. Can they come back in about time? I'm going to do that. You know, so you don't want to look short, so you want it to be a long time. I pick the... A good man, this is a good man, no want in a wall.
Pinky! Come send a friend for work on disgrace man like a man can't afford nothing. Pinky! Hey! Pinky! Me know you over there. Your friend just see me pan road and disgrace man. Like some man a boy. You do it already and me put you out now your friend on disgrace man. See me buy feed me before my baby born. Me I buy one put on Pinky! Pinky!
Which cross is that a ball out my name?
How would that be a question I call out?
Come for me yard! Come for me yard! And where she there?
Trouble set up like a rain.
Me come for me youth, me say you breathe and you hide it from me. And me people are cuss me. Girl call myself. And me youth to come for. Oh you move sir.
How are you there, sir?
Me come for me youth. How are you?
Which you? You put you there?
Who are you?
Baby, I don't want to get yourself.
Yeah,
me baby in there. Yeah, me baby in there.
Which baby in that belly?
Listen, man. Listen me, man. Listen me. And me plant anything you say in the so.
Yo, who?
The baby in a pinky belly, I don't want you to make sure you switch it yourself.
So Pinky, you have to tell me, say, and it's a Rasta man, you make breed you, and then you make your friend a this, you say me breed you. How can I style thing you do?
But you know, say no nonsense. But me as I say, I don't want you run on the road there, down the road, that's my road.
So Pinky, you really,
Anything you see around here, I feel me.
Pinky, you really come down there to come breed for your Rasta.
You know what? You're left on here, you know. You have to go left on here. I say, my pitney in a pinky belly. Dan, me no want to go to prison because I have 2 women I breed one time. I no want to go to prison for your youth. Left and run, you do me and beg your youth.
You fortunate, you breed 2 of them and left 1 for
when you have her, you should breed her. You understand? If you didn't need her, you breed her. Now that you see she breed her now, I don't want you come take no hype off her work and perform, you say, you know. I have my 1 year and you send you one come. What you do?
And me and my all feeding.
Can you feeding? You feed dog with it.
No, Rasta, this man, this man. You see how you Pinky, you smile over there. God not sleep.
Baby, you know when you take up them and strain yourself, you know, I know you lift up nothing, you know, more you go in the house and calm down, here. I don't want this boy come stress you out, here. Youth, anything run off me. I'm a breed Pinky, you are my pitney, what?
Can't believe it, sir. You breed the woman.
We have 2 women breeding at one time, right? And I don't want to go prison for you, boy. I say I don't want to go prison for you. Hey, don't pine for my woman, me lick off your hand, man. I say my woman, I don't want you pine for her.
The Bible said you shall satisfy with 1 wife.
I
Listen to what?
I say go on, so.
Listen to me.
You don't want to go prison, I have 2 women
You
breeding one
can't
time.
the Rasta woman so. She love you.
You see boy try mix up, baby.
Mix you up.
Hey, me say, come on,
Mix
come
you
on.
up. You're going
The
to
boy,
mix
come
this.
on now, and I say, one does him I say about you, but yo, dude, I don't want to get killed, you know. Come on, baby.
Where you go?
This man go kill you. You don't know what you do. Alright. That boy, the time into a while ago, you know. I kill him once, somebody kill him. And me no want to get myself in a trouble. I can't go to prison every time. When can't, yeah, breed can do. So I will beard right now. I say, you know good though. I'm doing a dirty clothes and some other dirty and something. I'm alright though, I'm so forward.
So Candy, how are you so silent? How would you down your road?
Things are not
So how are things in there?
Then run this one back. Pinky, I have something for you, ask you. Who are you pregnant for?
Papa, I'm pregnant for.
You sure?
Mm-hmm.
And if you're pregnant for?
Mm-mm.
Pinky, me and your friend. More you swear upon the Bible and tell me the living truth. Pinky, see the Bible here. A Bible this. And I know other book, a Bible. You must know Bible. You go swear upon the Bible and tell me the truth, you know.
Papa,
You sure say a papa is pregnant, you? Pinky, me and your friend. And more you tell me the truth, me need to know the truth. Who get you pregnant? Fire or papa?
girl, me don't want you feel no way. Yeah.
Yeah. Me not like that yet. What that yet mean? Is fire get you pregnant or a papa?
Fire.
What you just say? Fire get you pregnant? Hold on there. Pinky. Pinky. Girl, me and you are friend. And you really do me that? Me shame on you. Me can't believe you do me them thing there. Like seriously? Serious.
When you see soap, come and see soap in your back. I want to do. What is that for? What is that for? You can't go on, you know.
Me overheard everything you wanna say out there, so me not have to ask nobody no question. Me hear.
Tell me I can fucking go on.
Yo, guess what? Me now go continue with this foolishness here. Let me tell you something straight. You see Pinky? Me did take her from my friend, you know, God know. But guess what? It's either she have to leave or me leave. I don't want to explain.
What you to do with a while ago, no go so?
You know when me here.
What I do?
And you know say me here. Me not even want
Me
nobody
know where
tell
you hear out this a while ago, but no go so.
She have to go left out of place. Me not go nowhere. Me they consider if me left or she left, but guess what? She have to go left. Me not go nowhere. You know what? You see them kind of people here? You ever hear it saying, sorry for Marga dog, then turn around bite you.
Candy, me are your friend. And I don't want for me and for your friendship to mash up. Come here peacefully. Me go left peacefully. You don't have to tell me if you left. You left. You don't have to send me in a friend.
But Candy, me not like them something I don't know, I tell her.
So, fire, you can go for a taxi.
Fire you go where?
Yo, calm down, man.
So
Me can't
calm
make a night, you know. I can't make you walk around by yourself, you know.
Okay.
And the female are pregnant, you know. I don't want my mad madness, you know.
You know
Me soon contact you. Calm down yourself, man. Soon contact you. Come on,
yourself.
man.
You see you fire?
Me soon contact you.
Yo, alright. See all you fire, kill you one man, kill you know? You fire.
Take one of your man too much, you know.
I kill you one, me kill you. You know what? All you can follow her to and don't come back. To and don't come back. Babes.
What the baby?
Wait, no, baby. Make it one horrible dream.
What can I do?
About Pinky and you.
What me I'm thinking?
No, why you tell me the truth, babes? Me dream one bad dream about you and Pinky.
What do I? What me kill her? Me kill her?
No.
She kill me?
No, me hear.
What kind of dream?
Listen, in my dream, it's like Pinky, they tell me, say, you get her pregnant.
Last time I remember, me tell her, say, Candy, no, you know more.
So, we
And you say, baby crave, baby want this, baby want that. Me say, baby no want so much,
So you want to say, when me eat, make me dream that? No, me not think so. It look real. It look real. In my dream, Pinky, they tell me, say, you get her pregnant. Just tell me the truth, please.
What may I say to you, Candy? May you there, so right? And may you there for a long time. Be real with me, man, right? Because I am the Rastafari, and I choose as an empress, right? Look over there, so. Pinky asleep on her sheet, but you know Pinky look. Pinky look at my type.
Me can't know if Pinky is your type or not.
No, man, not do that, man. Let me tell you, you see, I go to bed, you put them for your head. You put things for your head and you eat late at night time. You have to do either. Put one, do one of them. If you got things, you think one way, but you can't do two of them. You go get bad dream and nightmare. And no go suck, a dream no walk straight.
Babes, what you mean? What you talking about? The dream look real. You never hear old people say, if you not near, so it goes so.
Yes, but what I'm saying to you, all we say the same things, a dream no walk straight.
But old
So
people know more than the young people them.
Yes, but what you say a while ago?
If you not go so, it
You
near
nearly
so, and
go
if you
so.
not near so, it goes so, then you need to tell me the truth.
Alright, so you messing on, man? But all people say, dream no walk straight too.
I don't even know if you
Same.
start this, babes. Because God knows, it's like you deny me dream and I go on like a
No,
foolishness.
dream, man.
But me I tell you, say, me dream say me I come from outer road. And when me reach at the gate, me see you and Papa a big argument out there, out to fight. And me, in my dream, me hear one time, me turn up, it's like me turn up and see you, they tell Papa.
So
Say, you get Pinky pregnant and I feel your baby. And now me they tell about you, and it's like, you are going like I say, a nightmare me have. What you mean, a cheesecake, hamburger.
What me I say now? I don't want to occupy myself too much. Because a dream, right? Dream is just a dream. And dream will seem clear like a day. When I'm telling you once about dream. When me small, long before I start piss bed, right? Me was the first time when dream say me a piss one out the door. Me a piss on a cherry tree. And piss up my bed all the while. Just before we dream real. Some parents gonna beat me for them sitting there because they realize that the dream is powerful. Dream can make us see things up and not the day. You understand? So, don't get too carried away. Me no want to act up myself and make no under to baby neither. You understand what I say? So, when then the dream there, I will pay minds my time. Maybe you put my things for your mind and then we there. You understand? Me say nothing like that. I'm tell you, say, are you my love and are you my care for and see baby in your belly if it proves say yo, you know see what I go on. You know long you want to breed and see a breeder now you try to create problem. No problem, no watch nothing like that,
Me
man.
nah create no problem. Me well alright and stress free. Me just have this dream in my mind and it look real and me couldn't do nothing without telling you. Because it look like a reality. And it's like you're hiding something from me. You need to tell me the truth. Me need you to tell me the truth, babes. Just tell me the truth, please. Because right now, me couldn't sleep.
Alright. So what may I say to you? Because this is going on for weeks upon weeks. You know what I mean? For your friend come here, they hear everything good. You know, say this is a little edgy. This is go on. So I go tell you this one time. You understand? Candy, you know me. I don't cheat. And I will never eat. You understand? So anything you have in your mind and a dream about, just wipe that out of your mind. You understand? Because nothing like that. See only pick me here. Look a baby in my belly. One, he or she come bigger and strong. You know what I say? If you go to the ultrasound and I see what kind of baby. Because I don't know if your belly now get big though, but
I don't carry big belly. I know you don't believe me. But I see anything my granny dream me and tell me, me believe. I mean, I tell you about me dream and you don't believe me because you want me to say nothing no go suckers and
a while ago you tell me about Papa and everybody you tell me you come granny with in dream.
I have to start the conversation with granny. My granny dream me and tell me say you breed Pinky. Oh, I believe.
When you go back in your dream, tell the granny say she a liar.
I go back in a dream, I go come in and we find out.
But no, yeah, wait if man you come go walk you know you just wait me put on my dream as you know.
So if me the dream, then the kind of dream that you really
but
really
a lying dream that the man, not like that man.
lying dream.
That dream does not make no sense to I. Cause you know some man your friend.
If I want different spirit,
Can you touch your friend?
Disbelieve, but I'm
so what?
granny
Me ask you a question. You believe say I'm a breed Pinky? When the baby, you know what? You since you have a question push up with when the baby born, we go do a DNA. Eh?
Yes, I'm ready to go do a DNA. Maybe we can prove it better.
And if you find out some breed, what you go say?
Look here. A positivity come out, not negative. Me feel say you.
Why? I'm get some work done, you know. Because that conversation is so healthy, you know. But so I'm watch the baby face, I'm going to work.
Me no want you want no baby head. This and this, and he's a cheater and a womanizer.
You can't tell me that. I just want it right now.
I love you too. Yo, make sure you get back bossy money in that. And because of me, make bossy no do nothing.
I look for boy Popeyes, man. Me I find him myself, man. I get back bossy money.
Boss, bad man. Just make sure you do the right thing, dog. Because enough money man lose, brother. And a joke thing, dog. I think your money there on joke thing.
Me I feel away in myself in a youth. Not like that you should even go on, brother. Just watch, man. Me I get back the food, brother.
Bad man. Me I go bed right now. I will link bossy. So me will talk to bossy when I see bossy and make you know say everything good. Just make sure say make your man get back his money, dog. And about ramp with the thing, dog. I know you think grimy out there in a bad man. Yo, just do the right thing, man. And about ramp with the thing. Cause right now I bed, me I go bed and go link him man. And make sure say man you know say everything good, dog.
Just make him know that, man. Cause I get you with it, man. You see me I say no, man.
Yeah, but do the right thing.
Here say in the street, you know, so you get a good piece of money, you know.
Wow, me tell one plane out there, man. You know, food plane out of London. I even say, see me buy a new iPhone.
Oh, yeah, say.
What are we get a call? Vibrate. Who is there? Look for me. Alright, no say nothing. Cool. Yo, wait, you know, you see that rope here?
No, sir.
Alright, let me. I mean, link you later. Don't worry.
Yeah, man, me there, man.
Yeah, man. You're hot, you know. You're hot, you have to move now.
I have to move now. Alright,
Yeah.
let's see alright, my boss.
Yeah, you're break, you know, you're walk, look for me if you walk. Before you come beg me some of the money. You don't know, say when time bad man thief from, the thief from bad man, God now seen you. Alright. Alright. Alright.
Popeyes.
Yo, me there out ya.
I want. Where there?
I mean, listen, me here bridge, eh? I mean, listen, me here bridge now. So you go, eh? Eh? I say you roll with me. Me and the man are bridging. My man beg me for the money. Eh? I'm a fee money. Wake up, man. What may you have me can run me down for free money?
Yo, brother, pull this off for me.
Relax, Jota.
Yo, pull this off for me. How you?
Me and your brethren and two money. And you
Where I do my you? I ain't a bad man now, nothing you want.
me and a bad man, but me life at risk. A free money, where you move, sir?
Yo, I no free money. I drugs man money got. I killing money. Dead for money youth.
Me gonna left here, so. Me not need look at me here bridging. Cause me no harmful.
Yo, pull this off for me.
They say if mine comes to senses, come check me for some of the money, but right now, I gone. Want money? Want money?
Later, babe.
You know, remember say you owe me?
I don't have no money.
How you mean you don't have money and every night me see man a drop you off? Different man.
My business to deal with.
My girl, you need to pay me.
Yeah, I don't have no money. So I'm going to thief.
So when me go get me money?
Later when them get other money and then give me.
Alright, go on. Me a wait.
Beat it bad enough.
You're too cheap, look what you drink, rum.
Hey.
A rum cream for your drink.
A US me have enough. A flask. You come and support you and go on something hot. Yeah. A long time you know it. But I'll give this here the baby, you see me? So, you see me come on like, I'm not coming out to one chicken, don't worry. You come over here.
Yeah. You see money?
Get money fast, man. How you get money?
Friend Popeye, I run this one.
Don't say I worry, man.
Yeah.
Money enough. Hey. What about me do?
One my friend.
Why? A long time when I see you go sleep. Oh, where did there?
Me there about the place, man. Me say you drink, you can't buy me a juice.
What you mean? Bartender. Where you want?
Rum cream, no one.
Give her a nice rum cream there.
Man, so you go on.
What you mean? Fresh and nice, you know.
Hold on, me step out just for a second. Me I come back for the rum cream. Here.
Alright, I'm come back for the juice, cause one time I didn't buy catch that, you know, but guess what? We catch you with that's why we don't give enough.
Papa! Watch out. Oh, go on, so.
One time me up, God.
Who tie you up?
Popeyes, brother.
Oh, yeah, sir.
Yo, loose.
Hold on. Nobody else there.
Body in a day, brother.
Are this friend gone too long, brother?
You will be a foolish man go on with you.
Yeah, this friendship gone too long, bad man.
Are you Popeye now move like him righteous in a youth?
Yo, Joe. Why pre-youth? Me just see Papa in a one bar, you know. Junk.
What you say?
The brother wait sell Deuteram the plane and thief the money, man.
Yo, just don't make him move. Don't make him move. Let him stay there. We are gonna line up some man and send come for you.
Alright, me go and hold him off as
Yeah, man,
it.
do that. So which one exactly on Saturday?
With a right round and one bar, so right on Emperor Road, that's so.
Alright, don't move. Just walk in there and make sure you keep him there and make sure you don't make him left, you know.
Alright.
Hold on, so, yeah, tell me Which one? Which bar in Ampere Road?
Right around on that black castle, man. You know that black liquor shop.
Alright. Don't move. Just make sure you're holding me.
Yeah, man.
Alright. That's in here. Don't move.
Alright, hurry up. So yo, me talk about where rum cream, the bartender.
Give me a shot of rum because we know how to mash up any time.
Yeah, man.
But I don't want back here, you know. I don't know how they're going to go, you have to go figure it out.
Yeah, and that they running the left.
Long time, that last half of the calendar, you know, so you want to come back because the 31 days still exists, you know, so you're still upon it. I'll fix you up. Money there, you know. See a bartender, I'm telling you, I'll fix up in shop, also.
You have to fix me before you fix bartender.
You don't worry yourself, man.
Yo, let me answer the call, you see. I'll come on today. I want to try my come. Me have papaya, so you know. I know that they not black shop there. At the next one. Hurry up and come, hurry. Ah. Bye.
Where boy?
Look how you make your man go. Look how you make call you.
My girl, let's make your man go away.
You look how you cast some idiot. You just have to mess up bad things.
My girl, can't believe you make your man go away, my girl. Hello, you saw my run through your son?
Farmer here take me tongue. Yes, he goes son. I say me say who.
Alright, come on.
Yo, Rasta. Yo, how much are they put them?
You know, so the little one have to be a pay this that man. So then 2 big one there, 5 grand a pay.
5 grand?
Yeah, man.
Boy, they kinda expensive, bro.
Yeah, man. They must carry off your house. You see, if you on board house, you put you on the front side. You know, so I think step up, you know what I mean? So, for a good price, that man. No pressure you.
Boy, I wish you could have done something better, man.
Boy, I did 10 grand. I do some say Jamaica a poverty place, so I drop the price to the deal.
Well, I'm gonna take one, man. But take off sitting off for it, man.
You can't. You just come. You just stand there, daddy.
How much one of them patios? So this one look nice. So how much this?
5 grand for the one and a daughter. So you look just like you're pretty and colourful. 5 grand.
Me love how you color just
Yeah, man.
sit down funny. You can buy one of them. I don't know you know, but you look like someone with American. So I take you if you buy.
Alright. Rasta, what up on this?
Yeah, man, you can't take you and go on, man.
God bless you, sorry. Actually, I know this make me dear.
You can go on with it, man. Put the number on my phone and call me. Just press off your ring yourself. And call me. I deliver it up your yard for you. But I have no part today. Just call me.
Alright.
Where you say I go on to my chief? Yeah, man, I take you off a shell.
Thanks for your sir.
Yeah, man, everything good, man.
What kind of thing that, Rasta? I can't believe say me buy woman a pot and you get the number. What kind of style that, man?
No, man, you must not worry about number, man. Just buy them 2 potter for me. You understand? Said 5 grand to them 2, yeah. I'm give the girl number. Simple mathematics. You understand? Because you know what happens, though. You understand? I'm not frightened for people.
Alright, give me them 2.
Alright, take them, man. I'm give the number. Alright, ready?
Yeah, man.
5 3 3 8 7 6. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So just call her when you go in. Set speed. Tip of them. Go on with them. Yo, hear what? We are go tonight. Me and you alone are go tonight. Think you can turn on yard. Me and you go tonight. Pinky stay home and she and a friend. You know what I mean? I may go, because a long time we don't go. We're going to have a drink or go somewhere, go have something to eat. Alright? So anything you do you know, get yourself ready and go home. You understand what I mean? Because we just make a piece of food and it's good. Candy, you hear me? Oh, because while ago I couldn't hear your girl. Yeah man, I say, yo, I carry you out in the evening now. Yeah man, night, yeah. Right now man, go home right now and fresh up yourself and ready. For a long time I don't treat you. The baby must want a little excitement and a little spice. Alright? Alright.
Anyways, I come up and tell us that I forgive you if you take my man. As much as you burn me. Plus you have all pitney put on top of it. 2-year-old, no so? She look nice though. I start go to church now and pastor said I forgive. So I go the Bible way, you know?
Well, I thank you for forgive me because I never really want to do it, you know, I never mean to do it. And now that we are confessed, I can actually tell her what happened. The night when I left me for, you know, babysit for you. Never tell me say I come up there. And he come in a room without shirt and his body look good. And I not try to resist him, but it just happened. And then try to hide it and I try to send him back to you and he not come.
Well, as far as I see, me and you come from far. Like, we are best friends for much years, girl. I never expect you to do something like that. And you could have resisted him, so nobody tell me that. Because if I even think about our friendship, that would have make you resist him. Now watching body and all of that.
Can't think about friendship. Me your best friend for a long time. I can't think about friendship when me lonely. Never mean for you, it just happen.
But it done happen already. And as me say, me gone back in my church and me forgive you.
Thank you.
And I just life.
Even after that, when I find out I'm pregnant, I try to send him back up to you, but he just not left. He just decide to say stay with me. So, I'm sorry. But to be serious, you know, I know me and your friend from longer time. I just never think about that when I'm lonely. And then remember things that we use to make you feel like you're on cloud 9. I just want to feel that how him touch you, how him touch you, and how him just know to do him thing. I just want to feel that when he take off his shirt and me see abs them and he just brace down pop. At that giveaway. Never mean to do it. I really never mean to do it. But he know to do him thing, just like what you say.
Yo, I tap God church, you know. Go on back my man, that's all I tell you. The forgiveness part, nobody part that, I want back my man.
Go church!
Yo, call go on, so I don't want the excitement, so come in. Because Joe sent me here.
Where Joe there?
Joe there up some man. Come in, now ask where Joe there for
What do you mean, bad man? Me and Joe the business. I mean, not even really know you like that, you know. I know this man over here, so.
Forward, big man. Everything good, man. Just forward.
Alright, come in.
Biggs, basically, I tell you this. Be running up and down, man, if you're doing in the street, you know. And I hear what them man are doing, you know. And you mess up in a Biggs. You hear that? Say you don't know what now. You have to go find back Joe money in a Dan. You hear me say? You have to go find back the man money. Because watch now, no. Watch now and send out the man. I hold the boy, you know, we say him come in a blue shirt, you know. Broke up a stick on him and mash him, and me and him fight and roll, you know. And the boy run and get to him. You know, drive up and down me and all dog and look for the boy, you know, better. Yo, Biggs, if you don't find Joe money, you have to go shoot out something you want. Shoot out the money part because we in the street, you know, Dan. And me, I'm a soldier in the street, you know, better, night and day, you know. And now I don't see you do nothing in the Biggs.
You know, say, you might not see me in the street, but trust me, I work on my phone, you see me? So you are going. I'm a two soldier, them I go get some things sort out some money, you see me? I put them in the street. I'll get him some money.
Boy.
And a brother, when you get him, I want you to get a brother from.
Listen to him and I say, no, man.
Someone else grown up on me, brother.
Hear me, sir.
Talk.
Joe got foreign.
Eh.
And I'm me in charge now, here.
How comes are you in charge? Now this a man
Yo,
me
shut up, no
say.
man, and listen to him and I say, man.
Boy, you see, if you make me come back for you, another river them I show you. You see me? This is no joke thing, bad man.
I will just do the right thing, Biggs.
Yo, Juta, let me tell you something. Me and Joe are brethren. You see me? Long time. I don't know where you come from lately. You see me? But guess what? Me go deal with the thing, me and me soldier them. And I think some have some real dog in the street.
Yeah, me
Chain of see me in the street. You see me? Yeah, so guess what? I will work on the money and I'm gonna get the money. You see me? Because you're not gonna throw me over this.
Alright, Biggs. Just do the right thing then.
Yeah man, just come in our lane. Come down in our lane. You see one yard with bare flowers in there. Yeah man, may I come out from the yeah, may I come out. May I come out.
Yeah, man, see, you hard to find though.
Me not hard to find man, let me just tell her come in our lane. See it you know?
Like, I'm about coming a lane.
That with you now.
But deliver different things to you know.
But me not go on nothing else for you now. Yeah, me number still can.
I'm gonna water your garden too.
My garden alright, me manage that. You can water that.
You look nice though. Laugh now. Tiny head.
And thanks.
Look one.
Tell
Yeah,
you
man.
later.
I'll go on.
Hello.
How is she? I'm here, Kato.
I want flowers pat me come sell her.
I'm here just say hello to.
I want to look at flowers. Where there, sir?
Who this?
I want customer.
I want customer.
Yeah.
I miss she the laugh up with you and you a smile too. Me not like them kind of smile. I know you for a long time for your style.
Listen, man. The female.
Talk up, you know, come on, nobody rush me in a
No,
yard.
no man. Buy. Come on, Manuel. Come on.
Girl, you have me money in things?
No.
You sure?
Oh, what is some gateway?
I buy for me. Look at the man. Man, yeah. Pocket. Man, I'm pocket, girl. Baby, I say
make sure say I'm a man, no, you're not need no.
Like a deaf lady.
Oh, come in and play. Hold on there. Oh, so what? Where this lady has to buy?
Alright, we can come deliver.
How much you pay for this?
How much a man sell it for?
5,000 plus 5,500 or 6. I don't know how much.
Our man buy me. Come on,
she pay for it?
Yes, I deliver.
Make sure say you have the money when you.
No, we can't buy for the money, no man.
How am I making it look so? Backside. No man, a market there in this place here. This look like a some market sitting at one in so like a coronation market then they all the bed. I wonder if a man they really carrying a place. You want to tell me say 2 women there in a place and them keep the place like this? No man, this is serious. I bet say me the day or fire. If fire worse if in the day then couldn't do the place. You know when he come and go and do. They really do the place so? I told me no day I make them do it. When fire come a problem in a place, trouble there. Trouble there. Fire not like them sitting here, you know? You want to tell me say 2 women there in a place and then do the place so? Yo, watch out. You want them, look there. You want them to say they couldn't spread the bed? All the pillar case, everything smell frenzy. They not change the sheet, they not do nothing like a Ramsey stacking or so. Boy, when I see your place look, me grieve. You can't imagine. Say girl, you're pregnant and look how you keep your place.
Our place there, sir. Can't be say boy take me through out of the house.
But I really like to know why the place look like this. Cause this a come like a pig pen. You know, pig style. I don't like it, man. How that in your hand?
A fish me go buy for the man come out. You see me stop?
Them the little man of fish there?
You know money boy they selling for it, but why? You know
I
what?
don't like them the little bony fish they go up in a people gum.
No, this is one for me, man.
So,
But some fish tea more make.
oh, fish tea.
Yeah, because it show me I work hard. I work hard.
Some of them the fish they make fish tea. You should have buy Winchman and Dr. Fish.
No, this is parrot.
Chung up your back.
This is a good fish, man.
A good fish that?
Yeah, okay, so when I
Alright.
sell, there's a parrot chat enough. You have to chat enough when you sell. Some things that work for me.
Then the way me can chat already, you really want me name that?
No, you go eat it for me.
Oh, I feel
Cause
one.
me have to talk enough
Oh,
on
me
the
no
road.
want
Yeah,
none,
man.
me no want none,
I feel
me
the
no want
juggling.
Me no want none.
So anyway. No, but what place here, so though? Because normally that's how we live a place. Though.
And that me and say, them a nasty people when me take in here so. This a place, oh, look there. This a place of shame and disgrace. I lucky things say me never carry none of
But
my family.
you know how good at the place, so. Sige.
That little nasty girl there.
Yeah, when next time I call him again?
Brittany name.
Brittany. But my time send him Sige so many times. So
I want little liar girl, he have too much name, he name Brittany.
Ah, what me I say now? I want that Brittany a carry man.
How it smell like?
Like something go on in there, some man.
No smell right.
No smell right. So your friend really come to things pan bed and let the sheets up?
God almighty. What you say we do with them sheet there?
You know where you go to burn them sheet there, you know?
You better me burn them for sure because I now wash you know. Them girl they a style man. Me can't believe. And about them one man. Who on them too?
Mama be there candy.
Yeah man.
I'll make some fish tea.
So a fish tea I go look about now? So you go look about fish tea and me not have nothing to eat? You know, so me not like your style, because you always feed me pan cheese and bulla.
But you say, apart from that though, I don't want the people go too fat. Okay, you know, see about type like a place where the baby go come out. If you eat too much, I baby not to reach now yet still, so you see that we are too show yet. It's barely a show, but what me I say, buy something special for you, you know yourself.
Alright, go and go look about it. But me no want none. I want something else to eat. And chang up baby, you can chat about this and that. You better make sure you see water in baby head. Because I don't want to feel no pain, too much pain when me have baby. Water head.
Alright.
Thanks, yeah? Shit. You know, so I left my wallet, but me have a friend, man. Me pay tomorrow.
No man, no bother with that. No bother with that.
You know, man, me have friend long time. You can't deal with me, so.
I plan this, you know.
Me not plan this. Me left my wallet for true. God no. Tomorrow me pay, man. Me have friend long time. So you embarrass me, so. You know, me have friend, man. Tomorrow. Man. Tomorrow.
See, Ali, woman, don't come back now.
Boy. Mommy. Hello. Why?
Long time to see you. Yes, you alright?
Good man.
So how you never come look for me this long time?
Why me I tell you rough? I can't go and get yesterday now. Well, I'm part, you know, enough, but.
Thank you very much, my pitney. A long time in see you. God
Yeah,
bless
man.
you. Yes, man. Thank you very
Yeah,
much.
man. So how everything different?
Well,
now?
everything it could have better still, but
Thank
I
God
forgive
for life,
God.
yeah.
From we have life, we have everything.
True, man.
Mhm.
See, a long time I want to come up here, but at least me reach. Hey! Hey! Boy,
Talk
me
to
I
your
tell
auntie
you,
now.
long time in the seal. Can you get big?
Yes, talk to
Mommy,
auntie,
Mommy,
man.
which my sister?
She gone out the road. If you
Oh,
go
me
out the
can't-
road, you will see her.
Oh, me see her at the road?
Yes, you see her
Okay.
out the road.
Alright, I'm definitely look here, so
All right.
me come back. But
All right,
stay safe.
and
Here,
take
Mommy?
care.
Alright,
Yeah, man,
no
take
problem.
care. God go with you, baby.
Later, Nisi. Alright, Mommy, later.
Babes, you see, you make up bed good though. So you're dealing?
Are you me wait for you and say you can babe?
I'm ready. I'm going to look for something to eat with us. I'm afraid. So I'm going to go up and go get something and come back. Babes, a while ago, as we step out of the show and I come back round, and I pass it as my phone ring. You know, me a beep on it. Listen, my boy Biggs.
Yo, Fire, you don't know, sir.
Joe, soldier them page me today. Wicked. Man, I'm all a threat me, say, brother. Them a go dash me over in the river, you know. The big river, you know.
You know it sounds like
Them
man
have
damn
to page
thing.
me back again, you know. So right now, I tell us, brother, I tell us, I need you to help me out, brother. The last time you have me at the bank, brother, I wait for you for how long, much hour. You see me? So right now, I say, brother, I say money I make money with the flowers, them, brother. Flower pot I sell. So, brother, you lend me the money so I can deal with the money and get them out from my back. You see it? Before I end up in the river here. You see it? So, I want to link you. You see me? Yeah, man. So, set a meeting, me link you. So, you say, if you can lend me a piece of food so I can deal with them youth, yeah. Because Joe have a new soldier right now. Him now go on good, him go on like him bloodthirsty. You see me? So, brother, do what you can do for him. Because I see your thing, your commercial, your thing are going good. You sell flower pot, you have this flower spot. Man, right now in the town. So, brother, money I make. Tell us, I have amnesia, brother, and sometimes you don't know where going money going through
Amnesia.
the business, brother. So,
And money them a look so them a watch out your business.
because I look a mistake me make and give
Ready,
the
aye.
wrong money, brother, it cost me. You see me?
Look here, me no want
Yeah,
hear
man.
nothing more. Hang
Alright,
up it, cause you're not hang up it,
life
hang up
or
it. Me
destiny
no want
right
hear
now,
nothing more,
brother.
cause you not lend that the boy then no more money. No lend him nothing.
You know, so now them not money, just running out still.
No lend him, then the boy they borrow and don't give back. Ready eye for then go look work. So what you gonna do about it?
I'm just a chill man, I'm not busy about it right now. Right now, most thing I want to do is while I sleep now, cause the sun drunk
They
and
know how they have to work, so you'll drop asleep. But you figure say you have some funny fire?
So I'm check it out now.
But see ya, how it is?
Boy,
But with all of this,
what you mean by with all of this for?
A man you come-
When last I see me, you know, come on me yard, come do whatever, and then me not see you back.
girl, me come down your yard to you. Who if you come down there too?
Oh, you come down to me, so how you reach in a things with my man? Oh, you just jolly, you think I saw it all go? You think me ain't no buck you? No, you think me ain't no go buck you?
So all of this are because of man.
Man.
You know what happened with the man?
Man.
Me say if you know what happened with the man.
What happened with the man?
Yeah, give me a chance to
You
talk.
sleep with the man. What happened with the man? Every man may have your want.
I
What
know
happened?
I
You're
know
too ready,
me.
aye.
I look your man them, girl.
Oh, and if me man them I look you as family, supposed to sleep with them.
Girl, me don't tell you what happened, you know. Me come back to tell you what happened.
You don't go tell me
you
say
don't have
sleep
to
with my man.
treat me up.
You don't come tell me say you sleep with my man and that's what you don't tell me. No, and that's what you don't tell me.
So stop hanging me, son.
Look here, you know for a long time.
Yeah, man, I get.
Let him go. Oh, no, done with it. Done with it. You know, look.
Mommy, you want to wipe your man? Come on, sleep with my man. Yes.
No, that no look.
Come, mommy, it look good for sister. Come on, me.
No, you're wrong.
Come on, sleep with my man.
No,
I'm money.
Cool down.
Hey, mommy, come see me now.
Yes, we're going to talk.
Mommy, you're sitting. Come back up.
All right, should I come back up?
Look at what this sister.
No, we're not done with it.
Mommy.
Done with it. Done.
Tell you to get look man for yourself, you know.
Should not come back round there. No,
man them some mommy.
No, me have a talk to her.
Your man them a idiot.
Done.
Oh, them a idiot. Yeah, idiot too.
Done. All right,
mommy.
Me have a talk to her.
Have man a beat you and mommy a chain and know what going on there.
Happiness, can you love the man them we beat you to so no sex.
Me have to talk to you about that now. It's a different story. This is a different story.
Mommy, me like my man them how me like them.
A different story this.
No, but she love man when bust up in here too.
Me have to go talk to you about this. You go on around there, sir. You go on around, sir. Go on around, sir. Alright. Just calm down. But me go ask you this, cause me hear she say something and me go ask you. I choose the man really a beat you.
Mommy, I love him, man love me.
Why he beat you?
Yes, mommy.
So you determine love?
Yes, mommy. He love me, mommy. He know he love me.
So if you broke your hand, he love you?
Mommy broke me hand already.
Come out of me yard, cause you idiot. That's how me go you.
Mommy,
Yamed, come out of me yard.
Run, mommy.
Come out of me yard, Yamed.
So you make you run me out.
Yamed, come out.
Mommy, I run here.
Yamed, come out of me yard.
You met them?
Yeah, man, I met them, you see it?
So how you sell them?
The two N1 them, to the pair are 5,000. The one in the Amiga look cheaper, so it's at 3,000 that the day.
Okay. Creative, sir. But anyways, I have no money for me now, but I like them 2 years. So I have to go down a yard and come back.
Yeah, man.
So you go there here, so?
Yeah, well, if not see me, I saw, I down in the town, you know what I mean? So I say so many times down in the town. Right over the master that's up on the front of the road, so you can find me there, so. You can take my number, you want to take my number?
Yeah, man, no problem.
Take my number, put in or something.
Tell me.
You can remember it?
Yeah, man, remember it.
Alright. 825 1926. You know the you know the area code?
Yeah, man.
Alright, the thing. Tell us something, you know. You can call, if you don't want no pot, call my number, said you.
You got jokes, Rasta.
Yeah, more than jokes.
Which part are they? May I come down there right now?
That's aggressive in my ears, man, or what?
Because me and Pinky have one big argument. Me have to run him out.
Alright, then vibe there. Forward, man, you know that.
Make sure you stay there, then me I come.
Hello. Yo, where you call me for? You feel like you can't do me nothing? Hold on, I idiot, my youth. Yo, you know, see, size of me also me have my well camera up, you know. You know, a fool, you know. Afraid, you know. So, me hold on with no friend.
My friend.
Eh?
Friend what?
Hold on with no friend. Eh?
Come here, say
So you're a friend killer? You're a friend killer.
No, my father. You know, some day up on the block, I go and hold them, my daddy, everything goes.
Yeah, man, everything goes. You don't know, say, yo, you don't know, say, the other day, Joe boy, them come check me. I want fat. I don't know if I explain myself to him, because I'm going like him wicked, say, man, take over Joe thing right now. In charge.
There's something that them are going with.
Yeah, man, the boy, I go and wicked, so I want to deal with him.
So you want mad to crime then, and you just have to tell me what to go on to my daddy and I go dirty boy or anything that depends on my father.
Yo, I'm going to do it because right now, so the boy, them are going. But they're on all the low, so low speed. So right now, we need to dirt the boy, them, so we can move up.
Not for real, man, I make things more better for we, you know?
Yeah, man.
Because boy, them give you a fight out there, you know, dog.
Yes, brother, because them are say, well, I get the money mixed up, and we get the wrong money, and trust me, we need to deal with that youth, because youth, they are getting real. I get from the nerves right now.
Yeah, man, not say a word, man. Just make me know when if you done, man, you know, say, oh, everything I go match on my daddy.
Yeah, man, yo, for you see them, you know. I dirt them, you know.
Yeah, man, not say a word, man.
Alright, but you know.
Alright, hold them, my daddy.
Me and Pinky just have one big argument down there. Because me I tell the girl about the dream when me dream and then she just disrespect me and me not like them disrespect them and I take my style in front of girl. So me have to run her out.
But me tell you, say, boy, me don't understand because are you pregnant and she pregnant? Who part she gone?
Me don't care and me don't want to know which part she is.
Tell about the dream, say dream no walk straight for a long time, still have a nice dream argument. But anyway, are your friends still, and me I tell you, say, you have to be careful.
So you sound like you're on Pinky side, so?
On the pick side, you know. I just the fact say I cause of a dream, and dream I just dream. But apart from that though, what we really go on today, because we find time for course. I'm send the 200 for go a clinic.
Anything she asks me for today, me give her, because I know say she pregnant and me pregnant. I know pregnancy go and me and her come home good and I just ask her one little question. The girl flare up on me. I don't like that something them man.
Just tell her about the dream.
I just tell her about the dream.
You may say no, differently. What they say about the pregnancy though? Everything alright between the one?
Me alright and she alright. The baby them alright and everything. Then just give her one next day to come to clinic.
Alright, so that good then. Some don't know your bets myself, so. Alright, they want an idea. Eh?
thank you guys for watching. If you are brand new to the channel, remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell. We are going strong in terms of the subscriber count and the viewings. So thank you very much to everybody that took time out to watch these videos and share them up and tell a friend to tell a friend, because it's helping. And not only it's that it's helping us, but it's helping the film industry in Jamaica to grow. And we realize that a lot more people are getting themselves involved in making good production and putting it on YouTube. So I want to say a special big ups to Prolong HD, Akib Lawrence. These are some of the persons who are making films just the same for YouTube. So big up to them also. And big up to everybody else who is making films for YouTube. For those persons who always want to assist us as it pertains to the financial aspect, if you guys want to, you can DM me on Instagram, Richard Brown Films, or you can go in the About section on the channel and look for the PayPal link or the Cash App link and make your donation. So if you guys feel like making a donation, you can click the link in the video description, or you can go in the About section. There is a link to the Cash App and the PayPal account if you guys want to help to move this movement forward, because it's a movement and it's growing and we love where it's heading. And also we have launched our brand new channel, Jammywood. That channel is going to be responsible for movies in Jamaica, so you can head over there, subscribe and watch all the new content that we have over there. We have launched another channel which we're going to put our BTS on. All the behind the scenes, all the mistakes will be put over there. Richard Brown Films BTS. So big up on yourself, continue to watch. Alright, someone wants to big up to Keith Darrespector Blake, one of the persons who took the time out to send in a contribution towards the movement, you see me? So if you would like to find him specific, you can find him, Keith Darrespector Blake, on YouTube and on Instagram and all the other social media platform, Darrespector.
It's the voice of Curious King. We don't say no more, the Pharaohs burn it down to the ground, you know what I mean? So you have just watched part 3 of Friend in Need, yeah, and it take a long while to get done, and we not, most of the items have not to be united, because like we did tell you from long time, say we do want to upgrade it to a ident, but so the money not really come to do it, we just left it as it is still, you know what I mean? So about a thing go on as we go along, you know what I mean? So we are just trying to establish say more need to be done. But anyway, in the meantime, I like to big up Tats and Franco. D-boy, them who always donate for the super chat. Who is on super chat? A lot of people, enough people, enough. Big up everybody on the super chat as tune in and always support the thing, all those companies and just give a shout out. You know, give thanks to everybody said speed, you know what I mean? Kind of keep the thing going, you know what I mean? So while people fight, one of the people that keep it possible, you know what I mean? So it's so many names, I don't remember all of the names them, so big up all around, you see me I say? So D-boy one of them I can remember, and there's a next name, but I'll have to catch it in the next time. I got to write down them things next time, though, you know what I mean? So look out for the next thing, because like I said, we have enough movie I do. Every day we have a new movie I do, enough content. So we don't get big up on this one, please remember for just write down the name them, so we don't meet up in this again, because rough. You know what I mean? Because we have tried 4 movies one time, so my head kind of full up about different things right now. So burn it down, but that's the one I say, big up on yourself, and continue watching, subscribe, tell a friend, tell a buddy, say, yo, yeah. Part 4 will come with Friend in Need, but now it takes so long next time, you know what I mean? So I just, these resources that we have at times, I really want to carry the movie to one different dimension, but the resources that we have is limited. So things that I want to do, I cannot do it, you know what I mean? With what we have, so that's the whole problem. So sorry for the long wait for Friend in Need, and I hope you enjoy it. We just watched it a while ago. And when we check it out, yeah man, we're premiering, Joe? Yeah, when you're premiere, you can come on live and chat while you're premiering. There's something you need to say now. But anyway, big up to all the ladies them out in the world. All I talk to them, big up on yourself, you know what I mean? And thanks for the ladies them that been giving me a little shout out, because who they know say I got through one little crisis in my life now. And now I'm fresh, single and available, and I'm ready to mingle. So I'm still searching for that. Next movie's coming out now. It's got to be somebody out there for me. You know what I mean? That's the next movie that we're coming out with. A love show. It's gonna showcase parts of my life. You know what I mean? So I want you to stay tuned for that movie. That movie is gonna go more into there's some situation that I've been through in my life. You know what I mean? Burn it down. Wagwan, chop it down. Yeah man, chop it down. Why are you doing it? Chubby Star, I'm an engineer. When I soundtrack them, I Chubby Dan. Chubby Star, you know what I mean?
My name is Boyd Grant, actor. I've been around in the movie industry from as long as 2006 when I did Better Must Come. I played the role of Kapow. Moved on to Saddam a Gangster and Gyal Run, they made music video for Europe. Then Scoundrel. And I've done several shows, including international show for Drake. Yeah, I've done Top Boy. Played Top Boy, played a character in Top Boy. Episode 3, the Jamaican part. Yes. Done other international shows. Done a lot of movies. Many have not been released as yet. But the movie thing is something that I do love. In Jamaica, we wish it could be better. You know, when we do a movie like now, it's like the budget, low budget, and that is posing some challenges, but we are working with the limited resources that we have. But you can always follow me. I have a YouTube channel that is Boyd Grant, yeah. Should be Boyd Grant TV, but working with Boyd Grant for now.
Well, I'm Hector Smith, aka Jutarime, actor. I'm a comedian also, plus artist, you know. And I love all keep watching and subscribe, keep on sharing, isn't me? The first movie I went in was Ralph Honest as a comedian. This movie, Police and Bad Boy. I never into it that much, but now I have the verge for it, and I see Richard Brown film as a good people to work with, you know. I've worked with QTV also, and then the second movie I did was with Teddy Brockshot, You Ain't No Killers, Young. Yeah, I get a piece of it, but I died in that movie. Anyway, please subscribe to my channel, Jutarime. I'm also on IG as Jutarime. On Facebook, Hector Smith. You know, because I'm an artist and I pursue this career out in the industry. You see me? Yeah. This movie now, when I really love, Friend Indeed. You see it? Yeah, man, Friend Indeed. That's where the people them just say, yo, Jutarime. Yeah, you see it? So big up all the viewers as I could say, and keep on subscribe. You see me?
My name is Howard Thompson, more popular known as Rasbab. Well, it's my first time acting. Yeah, it's a pleasure. See a lot of things done by Richard Brown. Love them. No, so falling to give us strength. And I also love the business too. Don't know. St. Thomas will live differently. You don't know. So you don't know the distance you travel to get here. You know, you need a strength. Otherwise, to uplift the thing and make it even more better.
Richard Brown Flips. Curious King. Me know. Yeah. Me say me know. Me say a friend in need is a friend indeed. No for them a was and a go on like bees. Who need friends like these? Who need friends like these? Me say a friend in need is a friend indeed. Enough of them a was and a go on like bees. Who need friends like these? Who need friends like these? A good friend is someone you can call on when you're back against the wall done. Enough of them a look for see you fall down, but when the money drop, it's all done. Best friend want take your man girl. Said chop for you left your man girl. Them all I take your man girl. We live in an unfair world. A friend in need is a friend in need. Enough of them a was and a one like bees. Who need friends like these? Who need friends like these? Me say a friend in need is a friend indeed. Enough of them a was and a one like bees. Who need friends like these? Who need friends like this? Enough want help and no want help at nobody. No. Enough of them want your help and them no want help at nobody. Oh. Enough of them a come around and a stretch out hand like a you at them daddy. No. Enough of them a go on like them bad, but tell them say candy I'm mad somebody. Oh, na 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 na. I say a friend in need is a friend indeed. Enough of them a and I go on like bees. Who need friends like these? Who need friends like these? I say who need friends like these? Na 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 na. I say keep your friends them close, but keep your enemy closer. And keep your friends them close, but keep your enemy them closer. Cause enough of them a push over. They want to burn upon your shoulder, them want turn you over. I say a friend in need is a friend indeed. Enough of them a was and a go on like these. Who need friends like these? Tell me who need friends like these? Chubby Dan, tell me who need friends like these? Enough of them a throat cutter. Enough of them a throat cutter. Them a backbiter, them a all fighter. If you know no lie, me a tell. Flash up on a lighter. I say a friend in need is a friend indeed. Enough of them a was and a go on like bees. But who need friends like these? Tell me who need friends like these? Who need friends like these? Be nice they make like these. Let it go. Don't need that, you know. That's enough. That's just playing a movie. You know, really.